Friends, running kimono. The $10 booster went beautifully today over at Walgreens. We have a cheap detergent over at Meijer. We have some penny items at the Dollar General. And all of this was $6 over at Rite Aid. So we're gonna talk about that as well. The weather report for you is another hot day, and hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's doing fantastic. Okay, so the first store I want to talk about is the Dollar General, and I put out a video this morning about a Saturday 5 off 25 basket, and I did have an error, so I took the video down, I think like 10 minutes after it was posted, so I don't think many of you saw it. But basically, the error in the video is with the $5 off Dollar Shave Club, it's if you read the fine print, you have to either buy 2 razors or a combination, and I just had the 1 razor. So just be warned, that is an error on my part, so I apologize if I confuse you guys. I was gonna try and make a supplementary video for this Saturday, but I've kind of run out of time this week, so I do apologize. I was in the Dollar General yesterday, like doing stupid stuff, obviously not couponing properly, but I found a bunch of these penny items. They have the pineapple, mandarin, and pear, and these pineapples were in the back, and they pennied out, I think, like 2 weeks back. So if you wanted to check in the clearance section or where they have the food, and if you wanted to look up this UPC or type it in, it is your choice. This is bringing up a penny. I found 7 yesterday, and this pennied out like I think a week and a half ago. So to find all of these, they were mixed in with all the different fruit, and they have like mandarin oranges, a whole bunch of other ones, a really good donation item. And I also have some young nieces. This would go really nice in a lunch, so I'm definitely gonna hang on to these. So again, guys, I do apologize about the Dollar General. Not my, I don't wanna confuse anyone, but it's just one of those things. I made a mistake, and when it happens, I don't really enjoy that either. Okay, so over at Walgreens, I did 2 transactions, and the first one is with this booster, which is to spend $10, get $10 back. That is a your mileage may vary, meaning not everybody received it. In the last 5 months that those have been popping up, this is the first time I've ever received it. So like, I apologize if you're feeling like upset about that. I get it, but it just is what it is. So I grabbed 3 of these, and this is Karen's deal. I believe it's coupon. I did a preview video yesterday, coupon gratis or something like that. She was talking about this deal. So these are 3 for $18. We have a 4 off of 2 digital plus a 2 off of 2 digital. All those digitals came off really well. I had my spend 10, get $10 back booster loaded. So I had to pay $12 with my debit card plus the tax. I did get back $10 in Walgreens cash, so it is working. Plus I got a store coupon and a manufacturer for buying the Gillette. So it made this free plus an $8 money maker. And you have up until Saturday the 25th to use that 10 back when you spend 10, or the 20 back when you spend 20. You'll have either one of those. Check your digital coupons folder. The next deal I did in store is 2 more of these sensitive skin Doves. They are 2 for $16. We have a 6 off of 2 digital. So I rolled $10 in Walgreens cash, and then I got back a $4 register reward. So it makes it like $6 for the 2, or $3 each. So over at Meijer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest, this is a 50 loader of the Arm & Hammer, which is a massive bottle if you think about it. This guy was $2.99 on sale this week. There's a $2 digital coupon dropping it down to 99 cents, and that is once per store card. I would absolutely take advantage of that deal. Even if you don't like Arm & Hammer, if you need detergent to clean cat beds or, you know, soccer cleats or whatever, or gardening clothes, it's a very good detergent to have on hand. The store that we have here is Rite Aid, and they have a spend $50, get back $15 in bonus cash. So I got exactly a $50 basket. Lots of the Tide detergents that have been 50% off are now 25% off. So these guys were $2.49 each, and they are the 32 load. I think everything is going to be unified to like a 25 load. We have the Mountain Breeze, the Oxy, and then the original. So I got 5 of these little ones for $12.45. I didn't have any coupons either. And I got this guy for $6.24. So all of that Tide. I did have a 6 off of 30, which was one of those Catalina, you know, come shop with us. They sometimes pop out of the machine. So I basically used that for the balance of this. The Dr. Scholls is another fantastic deal. This is $14.24, $5 coupon from a recent insert. And then you get back $10 in bonus cash, making it basically for free. Another superb deal is with the Vasaline. Buy 2, I think it's buy 2, get 1 for free, but for every 2 that you buy, you get back $4 in bonus cash. So for 4 of these, it's $5.97, and I got back $8 in bonus cash. And then this Dollar Days, which is on an end cap, it's like spring and summer stuff, sponges, toothpicks, little cups, all that stuff. I bought $11 of that. So I'm trying to get a $50 basket going. So all of this, guys, I mean, it's $38.90 of the Tide, the Vaseline, and the Dr. Scholls, and then $11.50 of all these 50-cent items. And yes, at 50 cents, I will buy them out, because this is the sort of item, if I'm gifting to my mother-in-law a bunch of dish soap, I kind of like to throw this stuff in. And I love paying 50 cents for this sort of stuff. Okay, for my entire basket, guys, it was $50.40. I got the cashier to scan the spend 50, get 15 back. That went through. Plus I handed her a 6 off of 30. That scanned beautifully for me as well. And then I had one $5 coupon for this. Alternatively, if you don't have the coupon, there's a $3 rebate on checkout 51 for this. I know it's not $5, but hey, at least it's something. So the total after all the coupons was $39.40. I had that on my store card, so I just rolled the bonus cash, and then I got back 33. I got back 15 for the spending 50. I got $8 for Vaseline, and then $10 for the Dr. Scholls wart remover. So it made this basket like a $6 haul after everything is said and done. 75% off for the Tide. I mean, it's an amazing deal. I know P&G Good Every Day has coupons, but I didn't have the time to go to the store, find all the detergent I want, go home, print the coupons, come back, you know, when gas is like $5 a gallon. So I'm like, you know what? That 6 off of 30 will be more than enough for me. So that's what I did. That's it for this video, and again, I do apologize about the confusing video this morning. Not what I intend to do. It just sometimes happens. And oh, this is a new little kitchen table. Maybe in the comments, let me know if you like the new kitchen table. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.